grade, Shurley is at this page 38, part 1. We're going to do exercises 4 and 5 today. So, underline the negative words in each sentence. We write each sentence and correct the double negative mistake as indicated by the rule number in parentheses at the end of the sentence. So, sometimes when we rewrite these, we get rid of things, but we still have to change the wording just a little bit to sound grammatically correct. Okay? Because the last couple times we've done this, there's been a couple of you that forget to change it and then it doesn't sound correct. All right? So I don't need nothing from the store. So 1/3 2 negative. Don't and nothing. And then it says rule number 3, remove the first negative word. So you're going to completely get rid of don't, right? And you're going to write nothing from the story. Does that make sense? Yes. And go ahead and draw a line right here so you keep the sentences apart. And don't forget your period. Eric hasn't never been on camping trips. So what are our negatives? Hasn't and never. And it says rule 2, take out the negative part of the contraction. So we're going to get rid of the NT. So Eric has never been on, what needs to be in there? A camping trip, right? They forgot A. So Eric has never been on a camping trip. I didn't find nothing to help Sue's cold. So what are our negatives? Didn't and nothing. Okay, rule 1, change the second negative to a positive. So I didn't find anything to help Sue's cold. Okay, you guys are going to do 4, 5, and 6 for homework. Okay, identify each kind of sentence by writing the abbreviation in the blank. Okay, so you guys are going to use 7, 8, and 9 for homework. And we will do 10 through 13. Leather chaps are worn by cowboys for protection of their legs. It's a sentence. Since I don't swim, I always wear a life jacket near water. So we have the comma. What else needs to go with it? Since, and that makes it a complex sentence. Neither Kevin nor Lisa arrived at the airport on time. Okay, we have nor in there, right? Okay, so nor is kind of like and, right? Okay, so what would go with that? Kevin and Lisa, so it's a sentence with a compound subject. Jonathan cleaned the garage before he went to ball practice. Anything to get before, right? And the word before makes it what type of sentence? A complex sentence. Okay? All right. So like I said, you guys are going to do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for homework.